Welcome to CRISIL's podcast on the analysis of its companies that availed of the moratorium. CRISIL analyzed over 2,300 non-financial companies from its rated portfolio that availed of the moratorium and categorized them in terms of their ratings, sectors, and sizes. The trends were divergent. While 3 out of 4 companies that availed of the moratorium are rated in the sub-investment grade, only 1 out of 4 companies that availed of the moratorium are rated in the investment grade. The sub-investment grade companies were already grappling with a slowing economy well before the pandemic began. The moratorium seemed like a big relief to such companies. While every sector has been affected by the dislocation stemming from the pandemic, majority of those with lower resilience have availed of the moratorium, while few among the more resilient sectors have done so. This is shown by every fifth company in the highly impacted sectors such as gems and jewelry, hotel, auto components, automobile dealers, power, packaging, capital goods, etc. availing the moratorium. On the other hand, only 1 in 10 did so from the less impacted sectors such as pharmaceuticals, chemicals, FMCG, secondary steel, and agriculture. Size was another differentiator with few relatively bigger companies opting for the moratorium. In the mid-sized corporate segment, with turnovers ranging between 300 to 1500 crores, the number of companies availing for the moratorium was more than thrice those in the rupees 1500 crore and above turnover range. The moratorium has been crucial in averting sharp rating actions in the face of shrinking turnovers and declining profitability. It also helped companies manage the sudden stretch in their working capital cycles and cash flows amid a bleak business environment. While the moratorium has ended, the demand outlook remains muted for most of the sectors. More so for companies falling in the low resilience sector will continue to remain under pressure over the next 2 to 3 quarters. To support the corporates that are impacted by the COVID-19 induced slowdown, RBI has announced a one-time restructuring window. It will be interesting to see how many corporates opt for this one-time restructuring plan. More on that in the next podcast. Till such time, stay safe, stay well. Thank you.